Good morning, Pennsylvania. This is Robert Prestley with your Campus Weather Service forecast for this Thursday, November 13th, 2014. Let's start by taking a look out your door this morning, looking out at the Arboretum. It's a bright start to your day. We've got some sunshine filtering in from the east, but for the most part, we're looking at mostly cloudy conditions this morning, mostly cloudy conditions being reported at the airport at this hour with a temperature of 34 degrees. Factor in those west-south winds at 5 miles per hour, and it feels like 30 degrees. So a much colder start to your day today. Across the region, most areas are in the same area in terms of temperatures, right around freezing. And across the state, we're looking at the same picture. Currently 32 in Williamsport, a bit cooler in Bradford and Franklin, where they're right around 30 this morning, and a bit warmer towards Philadelphia, where they're near 40 to start their day. Perhaps of more interest is our temperature change across the past 24 hours. You can see most of eastern Pennsylvania is running 15 to 25 degrees below where we were at this time yesterday, so it's a much colder start to your day here in Pennsylvania this morning. Looking across the eastern United States, you can see that the cold air is not just limited to State College, but we're looking at cold air across much of the eastern United States to start your day today. This cold air has been slowly marching its way across the United States across the past week or so. If we look across the upper Midwest, you can see they're starting at 20 in Green Bay, 14 in Sioux Falls, and negative 13 in Denver to start their morning. So while it is a chilly start here, it could certainly be worse. Along with those colder temperatures, we're going to be dealing with some wintry precipitation as well. So we head into this evening, a weak disturbance will move its way through the Commonwealth. Most of the energy associated with it will stay off to our east and to our north. But here in central Pennsylvania, we could be looking at a few pockets of light snow as we head into this afternoon and evening hours. That snow will quickly clear out as we head into the morning hours tomorrow. But as we head into tomorrow, we're going to be watching the lake effect machine really kick into high gear. We've got some much colder air moving over the relatively warm waters of Lake Erie. And so we'll be watching these bands move across the lake and into portions of northwestern Pennsylvania. Erie and Bradford could stand to see some more significant accumulations. More on that in a little bit. Here in State College, we're going to be seeing maybe just an isolated snow shower as we head into the day tomorrow. Those lake effect snow bands should continue through Friday night and into Saturday morning, but by Saturday afternoon, you can see they're limited in scope. They'll begin to die down as we head towards later in the day on Saturday. Here we're stopped at 12:30 on Saturday, and you can see here in State College, mostly clear to partly cloudy skies. Should be decent weather for your football game on Saturday. Perhaps a little bit more sunshine will help to offset those much colder temperatures. However, as we head into Saturday night, you can see more clouds begin to work their way in. This will be ahead of another system that moves its way in for Sunday night, and Monday could bring a mix of rain and snow. So again, here are those snowfall forecast totals I was talking about. You can see up towards Bradford and Erie, they'll be looking at possibly 3 to 4 inches of snow. Isolated spots could see even more than that, in excess of 6 inches in some isolated spots. Here in State College, we're looking at really nothing more than a dusting, just maybe a trace of snow across the next couple of days. And if you're further off to the south and the east, don't expect any sort of snow across the next several days. So for today, it's going to be cloudy and it's going to be cold. Not a very pleasant day for today. Your high temperature only 41 with that wind out of the west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And for tonight, expect those periods of light snow. Your low temperature will be 26 with that wind continuing out of the west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. So here is your Campus Weather Service football forecast. And as you can see, it's going to be a chilly start. That noon kickoff, we're only going to be looking at temperatures in the mid-30s. We will see temperatures rebound possibly into the lower 40s by the end of the game, but by all means, it's going to be a chilly game. You're going to want to bundle up if you're headed out there this weekend. And so here is your 7-day forecast. And as you can see, we have that snow to contend with tonight. Clouds will stick around for your Friday. A few more peaks of sunshine as we head into Saturday, and then increasing clouds on Sunday ahead of that next system moving in for next Monday. Behind that system, even colder temperatures. Those high temperatures may not get to freezing as we head into the middle of next week. This cold air will be sticking around for a while. That's the weather for Pennsylvania. I'm Robert Prestley from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. Have a great day.